So the time has come to finally get rid of these ugly tan seat belts. So luckily for me, I've already got my interior pretty much uninstalled, so we can go ahead and just go to town with these guys. Now this one here is a 15. So here's our belts. I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get them on there and see if the new hardware will fit the new holes. Meet you back in 3, 2. So we have it installed. We did have to use our factory hardware, which that's not a big deal, but nice and seat belty. Other side needs it done too, so we'll get it real quick. Be right back. And just like that, guys, our seat belt on the driver's side is installed. We are looking good. Yay, black seat belts. Been a long time since I posted about these, so here you go. Oh yeah, $25 for the set. Not too bad.